right, for this one, same thing. We're going to distribute this -2 through the parentheses. So this line becomes 3x. What's -2 times x? -2x, right? What's -2 times -7y? Positive 7y. Or actually positive 14y, right? Woo! I was thinking it. Said the wrong thing though. All right. So again, we're just going to combine like terms. I have a 3x and a -2x. That's going to be just 1x, right? 3 minus 2 is 1. Then I'm going to do positive 14y plus 8y. If I have 14 y's in my hand and I add 8 more, that's going to be 22, right? So that's plus 22y. I'm pretty sure that's the answer. Let me double check my math just to make sure. -2 times x, -2x, -2 times -7y, 14y. Yeah, that looks right. How many of you guys got that one? Good. That's good.